Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best laundry baskets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any household, transforming the mundane chore of laundry into a slightly more organized and manageable task. Whether you're dealing with a small apartment or a large family home, the right laundry basket can make a significant difference in keeping your living space tidy and your clothes ready for washing, preventing clutter from accumulating and making the journey from bedroom to laundry room a breeze. Number 5. INDRESSME XXXLarge Cotton Rope Basket. Introducing our extra large woven basket, designed to hold all your laundry, toys, and blankets. Its generous size makes it perfect for any large-scale storage needs in your home. Crafted from soft yet durable cotton rope, this basket is slow woven for a beautiful, even texture. It's built to last and features strong handles for effortless carrying. Enhance your living space with its minimalist boho design. The neutral colors effortlessly complement any home decor, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Made with soft cotton rope, it's gentle on skin and safe for the whole family. Unlike harder materials, it won't cause any scratches or injuries. This versatile basket is perfect for storing laundry, toys, or blankets. It's ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, or laundry rooms, and it's even machine washable for easy care. What we like? This one offers a massive XXL capacity, perfect for storing blankets, toys, and a week's worth of laundry. Its soft cotton rope construction is gentle and family-friendly. If you love a minimalist boho aesthetic and need a large, stylish storage solution for your living room or nursery, this is the one for you. What people say. It holds its shape really well and feels sturdy and well-made. The size is generous without being bulky, and it holds a surprising amount while still looking neat and structured. It is very roomy and is easy to just throw them in and be tidy. Number 4. Lifewit 80L Collapsible Laundry Basket. Tired of flimsy hampers that collapse? This one features a reinforced frame, so it stands upright on its own, even when empty. It's ready whenever you are. Don't let its collapsible nature fool you. This hamper boasts an ultra-large 80L capacity, easily holding multiple loads of laundry. It's perfect for everything from clothes to wet towels. Moving laundry day just got easier. With reinforced, comfortable handles, you can carry it effortlessly, whether it's one load or many, upstairs or to the laundromat. Crafted from premium, thick materials with a waterproof interior, this hamper keeps your items dry. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it clean. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat, saving you precious space. It's the perfect solution for any room, dorm, or even for travel. Ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, and even RVs. This versatile hamper is designed to fit seamlessly into your life and keep your space tidy. What we like? This basket boasts a unique freestanding design, meaning it stands up on its own even when empty, thanks to its sturdy wire frame. It also offers a generous 80L capacity and a convenient collapsible feature for easy storage. If you're looking for a practical and space-saving solution that stays upright and holds a lot, this is an excellent choice for bedrooms or laundry rooms. What people say. The basket is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. It's easy to carry even when full, thanks to the comfortable handles. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Number 3. Storage MANIAC 4-Section Laundry Sorter. Introducing the ultimate solution for managing your family's laundry. This large capacity sorter makes organizing clothes a breeze. With 4 spacious compartments, each holding up to 25 pounds, it easily handles family-sized loads. Enjoy a total capacity of 180 liters, keeping everything tidy. The individual laundry bags lift out effortlessly with sturdy handles. Made from durable, waterproof Oxford fabric, they are easy to clean and maintain. Navigate your home with ease thanks to the 4 heavy-duty casters. 2 locking wheels ensure it stays put when you need it to. Built with a robust, rust-resistant frame and reinforced supports, this sorter is designed for long-lasting stability, even when fully loaded. Pre-sort your lights, darks, and delicates effortlessly. Keep your laundry area, bedroom, or bathroom neat and reduce stress on laundry day. What we like? This is a true laundry sorter, featuring 4 separate compartments to help you organize lights, darks, and delicates with ease. Each section has a removable bag with handles for convenient transport to the washing machine, and the entire unit glides smoothly on wheels. If you're tired of laundry day chaos and want to streamline your sorting process, this heavy-duty sorter is ideal for large families. What people say. This tidied up our room a lot, super great for organization. The unit is conveniently rollable so you can move it around the room. Each bag hold about a large load of laundry. Number 2. SONGMICS 23.8 gallons. Collapsible laundry hamper ULCB 190G01. This laundry hamper is designed for durability. The sturdy fabric bag can hold up to 44 pounds, and the robust wire frame supports up to 66 pounds, so you can fill it to the brim with confidence. Transporting your laundry is a breeze. The removable liner easily detaches, and the convenient handles allow you to carry your clothes from room to room without hassle. Setting up this hamper is quick and easy. When you're done, it folds flat for convenient storage, saving you valuable space. Keep your laundry area hygienic and odor-free. The breathable, machine-washable liner ensures cleanliness and helps eliminate unpleasant smells. Maintain a neat appearance in your home. The drawstring closure keeps your laundry neatly tucked away, out of sight. What we like. This hamper offers a sturdy metal frame and a large, breathable polycotton blend liner that is both removable and machine washable for ultimate hygiene. The drawstring closure keeps laundry out of sight, maintaining a tidy appearance. If you prioritize cleanliness, easy maintenance, and a neat look for your bedroom or bathroom, this hamper is a great pick. What people say. The basket is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. It's lightweight and easy to carry even when full. The handles are comfortable and don't dig into your hands. Number 1. SONGMICS 2-section rolling laundry hamper. Introducing a smarter way to manage your laundry. This spacious hamper is designed to keep your dirty clothes organized and out of sight. With 2 large compartments, it easily holds a week's worth of laundry for your entire family. Sorting is a breeze, saving you time and effort. Need to take your laundry downstairs? Simply remove the liner bag using the attached handles. Clasps keep it securely in place when needed. Its sturdy steel frame ensures stability and durability, supporting up to 44 pounds. Plus, with 4 smooth rolling wheels, moving it is effortless. 2 of the wheels feature brakes for secure placement. The convenient handle height means no more bending over when you need to move it. The liner is crafted from tear-resistant, water-repellent Oxford fabric. This makes it incredibly durable and simple to wipe clean after use. What we like. Designed for households, this basket features 2 spacious compartments to help you sort laundry efficiently, holding a week's worth of clothes. It's built with a strong steel frame, rolls smoothly on wheels, and has a water-repellent liner that's easy to clean. If you need a durable, mobile, and large-capacity sorter for a multi-person household, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This rolling laundry basket is very sturdy and easy to move for someone with limited mobility. The cart is incredibly sturdy, built with a solid metal frame that doesn't wobble or flex, even when fully loaded with heavy, wet towels and bedding. The wheels are a standout feature, smooth, durable, and able to glide easily over both carpet and tile. This makes moving laundry from the bedroom to the laundry room a breeze, saving me so much time and effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.